Donald Trump has been really good for the stock market.
The Dow Jones Industrial Average is 14% cheaper, going from 45,000 to 38,800. The S&P 500, which is a basket of 500 of the most productive companies in America, is over 16% cheaper, going from 6144 down to 5130. And the NASDAQ, which holds all the big tech names, is cheaper by over 20% from its last all-time high. 20% or more is known as a technical bear market. This is not as good as what President Biden presided over in 2022, when peak to trough, the S&P 500 fell 24%. But there's hope that we can get there sooner than later. The only people who are happy with higher prices are people who are selling. The people who are investing and looking to buy want lower prices. Here's the world's greatest investor, Warren Buffett, to explain why.
I love it when the things we buy go down. Stocks are down today, and I buy more of something I was buying yesterday. I'm buying it cheaper. Now, when you go to the grocery store and you buy something cheaper than you bought it the day before, you think that's terrific. But people with their stocks, they think that the stock knows more than they do. When the stock goes down, they say the stock is telling them something, And what's telling me is I can get more for my money. But they take it as kind of a referendum on themselves, and it's me versus the stock. If it ever gets back to what I paid, I'm going to sell it. The stock doesn't care what you paid. The stock doesn't even care that you own it. You are nothing to the stock. That stock is everything to you. And you remember you paid $10.13. Therefore, the stock should get to $10.13 before you sell it. But there is nothing about the price action of the stock that tells you whether you should keep owning it. What tells you whether you should keep owning it is what you expect the company to do in the future versus the price at which it's selling now, compared to the other opportunities of businesses that you think you know equally well, and make that same comparison. And that's all there is to owning stocks.
Learn the lessons about money that your parents and teachers should have taught you. Download my free newsletter linked off the bio. Good luck. Take care.